remind him that the last time he sent the money, it was not enough to buy all the provisions.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell him.
Are you guys talking about money transfer to buy provisions?
Yes.
But don't you know about Baloo?
Baloo? What is Baloo?
Baloo is a service that your son can use to send provisions directly to you guys from the shop. And you don't have to worry about the exchange rate.
Tell me how Baloo works.
It's very simple.
Just log on to baloo.com and shop, or download the app on your phone. You can shop on the website or using the app to buy online basic products for your family and friends. With Baloo, you decide what your money is spent on. Your money, your choice. Buy online products for your family and friends in the Gambia, Senegal, Nigeria or Mali. Baloo, better than sending money.
In communication, connectivity is everything. We ensure that the links never sleep. Quantities and qualities, all in our data service, providing efficient, reliable voice and data service. We believe if you're not up to speed, then you're going backwards. Communications have to flow as fast as the speed of light. Whatever business you're in, having someone who understands your needs is critical. That is why we just don't offer you technology, we offer you solutions. Enjoy Gamcel's internet broadband anytime, anywhere. Your national operator, Gamcel, Yaibaram.
Lord Mayor, CEO, colleagues of KMC's Task Force on COVID-19 response, distinguished members of the media fraternity, Tailors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. My name is Aissatou Fall, the PR manager of KMC, and I am the master of ceremonies. The numbers are rising. Coronavirus is real and deadly. This pandemic is making life difficult for all. Families are torn apart, loved ones separated, the world is in panic. This is not the usual and proud gatherings I love to host with joy and pride. But when we are left without an option, we become choiceless. It goes without saying that life on earth is full of worries and insecurities. Worries and insecurities that are not confined to any particular race, nationality, tribe, or creed. In this present state, we are living in this unfamiliar world. Advocacy and sensitization is our #1 priority to fight the most surprising and deadly virus, COVID-19. Many communities in the world are affected, and ours is not an exception. The Gambia, specifically Kanifing Municipality. After a series of consultation meetings with the COVID-19 Task Force Committee, which comprises of the Ministry of Health, National Disaster Management Agency, Red Cross, and the Gambia Police Force, and other stakeholders, KMC agreed to add its voice in the fight against COVID-19 by producing sensitization videos, providing buckets and hand wash to the local communities, spraying local markets and streets, and the KMC 10,000 Homes Food Aid Program. The Council is launching an initiative today to distribute 50,000 face masks in KMC's 18 markets. 2 years ago, when we were campaigning for the mayorship, we promised to make KMC a perfect place to live with all the basic necessities of life available to all equally. We met with Nabinta, who sells peanuts to provide for her family. We met with Banyahor Mbay, who sells Fogonjai. We met Kaw Amadou Wurijalo, who runs the Fuller shop in a local community. They all believed in us and gave us the chance to work for them. today, it only makes sense to look after them in these trying times. We will not only engage our various communities with sensitization programs, but help provide them with provisions for survival to the families in need and the basic preventive materials to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, I hereby welcome you all to the official launching of KMC's 50,000 locally made COVID-19 face masks. I thank you all for coming. On our program today, we will have a welcoming remark delivered by the CEO of the Kanifing municipality. She is no other than Sainabu Martin Sonko. We will also have a representative from the Tailors, that is Fatou, the proprietors of TIGA, representative from the Ministry of Health, and it will be closed by the Lord Mayor's statement. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to welcome Mrs. Sainabu Martin Sonko. Thank you.
The Lord Mayor, Deputy Lord Mayor, Honorable Councillors, colleagues of KMC's Task Force on COVID-19 response, the management and staff of KMC, members of the press fraternity, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is with pleasure and honor for the Kanifing Municipal Council to welcome you here to launch an important initiative in the Council's coronavirus, which is known as COVID-19 response. As you may be aware, COVID-19 poses one of the greatest health threats in the history of our existence. Immediately, Senegal registered its first case. The Council, under the dynamic leadership of our able mayor, has been relentless in fighting to curb the spread of the virus in the municipality. Since then, the Council, through its COVID-19 response task force, has implemented a number of preventive measures to stop the spread of this deadly virus. And today, we are gathered here to witness yet the launching of another preventive initiative in our municipality of 50,000 masks to be distributed in the 19 markets of the municipality and other public places. And today we are starting with 5,000. On that note, I once again welcome you all to this August gathering.
Thank you very much, CEO. I would now like to welcome a representative from the Tailors, who is Fatou.
Good morning, Lord Mayor, Deputy Mayor, Madam CEO, the entire staff of the Kanifing Municipal Council, media houses, fellow tailors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen present here today. My name is Fatou and the founder of TIGA. I am honored to be here today and to be part of such a great, impactful initiative. As cases of COVID-19 increase around the world and supplies of face masks are becoming scarce, it has become emergent to create fabric face masks quickly for those in need. Face masks have become a symbol in the fight against the COVID-19. In some countries, such as the Czech Republic, it is now mandatory to wear a face mask before leaving your house. However, there is an increased global concern about shortages of face masks. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, it is recommended that everyone should wear a face mask in public settings, especially in areas of significantly based transmission. CDC also advises that the use of face masks will help to slow the spread of the virus and help people who may have the virus and do not know it from transmitting it to others. The face masks can be used as an additional voluntary public health measure. In countries such as Ghana, the health service has approved the local production of face masks in an effort to contain the outbreak in the country, and we believe the Gambia should do the same. Therefore, it came as no surprise to me when the office of the Lord Mayor contacted us about the production of face masks for the citizenry to help stop the spread of the virus. The mayor's initiative doesn't only tackle the issue of curbing the spread of the virus, but it also ensures that the surgical masks, which are in critical supply, are reserved for healthcare workers and other medical first responders, as recommended by the current CDC guidance. This initiative will also help sustain and create employment for many. As a young business owner in the tourism industry, I need not go further to explain how my business has been affected by COVID-19 and the impact it will have on so many other businesses in different sectors in the Gambia. This initiative has enabled us, the tailors, not only to produce face masks to help prevent the spread of the virus, but also earn revenue for ourselves and employees. This goes a long way to help us get through this very challenging time. The local face masks are reusable, they're 100% cotton, washable, and sustainable. We believe that producing the local masks will be a great boost for so many young entrepreneurs like ourselves and tackle the high unemployment rate, reduce the cost of procurement, and boost the economy. This initiative will be a great motivation to boost the morale of the textile industry, which will be great for the youth agenda under the leadership of the Kanifing Municipal Council to ensure that everyone is working together in this cause. On behalf of all the tailors and myself, we say a huge thank you to the Lord Mayor and his entire team. I thank you all for your kind attention. Let's stay together, stay safe, and fight COVID-19.
I would like to welcome a representative from the Ministry of Health to also deliver his statement. Thank you.
The councillors here present, the representatives of the Tailors Association, the media fraternity or representatives here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. We are here again to observe another milestone towards fighting a common enemy. What is the common enemy here is COVID-19, which knows no boundary. It doesn't know richness. It doesn't know who is healthy. It doesn't know who is poor. It doesn't know who is rich. So, therefore, through concerted efforts, we can make headway as far as fighting the common enemy is concerned. And KMC and the council and management, including the task force, have not been left behind in fighting the common enemy, which is COVID-19. Fighting the common enemy takes or has taken a holistic approach whereby you relieve the individuals who are suffering. You also protect them from the disease by providing hand wash stations, hand washing materials, and also nose masks. Today we are here to launch the provision of nose masks or face masks that are supposed to protect the people once we use this as expected. We as Ministry of Health, we deem it fitting to enlighten people more with regards to COVID-19. Efforts are on in the pipeline and ongoing with regards to enlightening the public how we should put measures in place to protect ourselves from COVID-19. The socio-economic impact of COVID-19 is evident, and we all have to bear in mind that it's through concerted efforts that this fight or battle can be won. Putting in measures by the government through the Ministry of Health to ensure, and the other sectors of development, to ensure that measures are implemented is not a witch hunt, and is here to ensure that we are all protected. Because this is the Gambia that we have, the motherland. We need to nurture the existence that we are enjoying in the country here in terms of health and well-being. Because health is complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Therefore, whatever will break that chain, we all need to stand firm against such issues. So providing 50,000 masks or face masks for use by people who are vulnerable, because in this context, everybody is vulnerable. As I said earlier on, COVID doesn't know who is rich, who is poor, and it doesn't know status. Status is regardless with regards to COVID-19. So we need to put all hands on deck to see to it that we protect our people, we protect the nation from socio-economic burden. Without wasting much of the time, I also want to put across that at the moment we have registered about 24 cases, confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country. So our cases, although slow, we are putting interventions in place as a health ministry in collaboration with partners who are together fighting this COVID-19, because we cannot do it alone. So that is ongoing. But we need to have the support of the community in terms of community policing, so that people going outside the country and then going into another hot zone, coming back into the country, will be a way of importing the disease into the country. And when that happens, there is what is called local transmission. So that local transmission is currently ongoing, and although at a lower rate, but we need to put efforts together to ensure we make a stop to that act. On that note, I thank you all for your kind attention.
Next on our agenda, I would like to welcome the Lord Mayor, Mr. Talib Ahmed Bensouda, to also deliver his remarks. Thank you. Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Deputy Mayor of KMC, Honorable Councillors, CEO and staff of KMC, colleagues of KMC's Task Force on COVID-19 response, distinguished members of the press, representative of the Tailors, Fatou of Tiga, and all tailors here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. The Kanifing Municipal Council is pleased to welcome you here today to launch an important initiative in the Council's COVID-19 response. The Council established a task force to lead the COVID-19 response in the municipality with the committed partnership of the Ministry of Health, National Disaster Management Agency, Red Cross, the Gambia Police Force, and other stakeholders. The Council is committed to working with communities and partners to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic and to protect residents of the municipality. The task force prepared and launched KMC's Emergency Action Plan for COVID-19, which is composed of 3 pillars. 1, public sensitization. 2, stop the spread. 3, ease the economic and hunger burden. Under Pillar 2, stopping the spread of COVID-19, the Council is launching an initiative today to distribute 50,000 face masks in the KMC's 18 markets. Today, the initiative is deploying 5,000 face masks through the market committees in the municipality. The Council is calling upon the private sector and development partners to achieve the goal of 50,000 face masks in KMC. The Council has worked with the Ministry of Health to identify scientific specifications for locally made face masks. 1, to have multiple layers of fabric. 2, material should be breathable. 3, should contain materials with hydrophobic properties to keep droplets inside the mask. 4, shape of the mask should entirely cover your mouth, chin, and go up to your ears. 5, fit of the mask should be snug without much movement. The general public, especially market vendors, are strongly encouraged to use face masks whenever they leave their compound and whenever they visit the market to stop the spread of COVID-19. The locally made face mask can be worn multiple times, and users are encouraged to wash the face mask daily with warm soapy water. If possible, the public is encouraged to have 2 face masks so one can be worn while the other is being washed. Furthermore, market vendors must practice social distancing measures when selling in markets by keeping 1 to 2 meters between themselves. The Council is encouraging the use of local businesses and young entrepreneurs by engaging local tailors in the production of face masks. This process supported over a dozen local tailors whose hard work has made this initiative possible. I thank the tailors for their craftsmanship and efficiency in delivering a made-in-the-Gambia product that we can all be proud of. In conclusion, I would like to appreciate the ongoing efforts of KMC's COVID-19 task force, as well as the sacrifices made by the frontline health workers in our municipality. I am grateful to the market presidents and their market committees for their commitment and leadership towards the success of this initiative. Together, we can stop the spread of COVID-19 in KMC. Thank you very much.
Of owning your dream homes, EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings, 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tarots, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Albaka.
Mbaka important.
Yo, nga transfer la sto.
Ya transfer la sto.
Ha, code nyingi.
Okay. Korsa. Nsila ID soto.
Ah, that's what. Sorry. I get it.
Bijan bro.
Albaka.
Mbaka.
Bara alla service o tariaka.
Ah,
mbare ki janna nun kunu bara tariaka.
Ah, janno mi yona forest de bureau. Gambia tonkon na no mbari ya bere. Ha, birim ko na fo kato.
Bari si kodo kino kato ni fo bolong blabe to.
56 branches mola sota Gambia jam.
Ha?
Ha. Gambia kono ani Gambia bantala bankol. Nko kodo kiya bere. Kodo sifa fo falindiro fo nyaadi lafta memmen na kodi to poto nin kodi maraw. Jannam number 1 di nyonta. Andum fana nata anoda enterprise sotale. Wolam nyindi ko domorol fana kol fana be firale le dadi ma ni domorol ni fana beteat. Gambia dawda yalo ngam fa kendol sotale je.
Ha e wo moyo diat ha.
Apelenta
baraka ni lafta nyelen kendol e binaki.
Yalo bukani la ko la baraka ba.
Yalo ndel chosano lo.
Abaraka.